How to use Nationwide Auto Insurance. Also, properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Nationwide Auto Insurance is trusted by millions, but many drivers make mistakes that cost money or reduce coverage. The surprising truth is that not all policies protect you the way you think. One common mistake is choosing only minimum liability coverage. While it meets state requirements, it may not cover all damages or medical costs after an accident. Adding collision and comprehensive coverage can protect your vehicle and finances. Another error is mismanaging deductibles. Lower deductibles raise premiums, while higher deductibles save money but increase out-of-pocket costs after a claim. Select a deductible that balances your budget and risk tolerance. Failing to update your policy is another trap. Moving, adding a teen driver, or buying a new car can affect coverage and premiums. Not updating your Nationwide policy could leave you underprotected. Skipping available discounts is also costly. Nationwide offers savings for safe driving, policy bundling, and certain car features. Ignoring these can lead to unnecessary expenses. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can delay payouts. Always report accidents promptly, document damages, and maintain clear communication with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, Nationwide Auto Insurance can work effectively for you. Choose the right coverage, set an appropriate deductible, update your policy as needed, use discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures full protection and peace of mind on every drive.